Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Makeup by Jay. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and let's get started. So I am doing a review currently on the Sleek Boutique custom made wig by Sensationnel, and her name is just Sleek Straight. And I got her in a 99J. I got her in a 99J simply because I always get units that are in my hair color per se, like a number 2. I always get that, so I just want to kind of challenge myself because I love burgundy hair. So this is how the stock card looks, and it tells you on the front you can shift for a 3-way parting, which means it can be middle part, side part, right or left. And it has a 6-inch part with a natural hairline. This wig did come pre-plucked, and it does come with the longest of baby hairs. As you guys can see, I slicked or at least tried to slick my baby hairs down. The baby hairs were so long, they was about right to right here, so I had to cut them and just make it my own, kind of make it slay a little bit. So I really like this wig for starters because first of all, I love long hair. I'm a huge fan of long hair, but sometimes I want to switch up my look. But this is very long. It is approximately 26 inches, so I would say this is more of a yaki texture. And it does easily tangle, especially like at the nape of the neck. It easily tangles, so you want to make sure that you detangle it every single day, or just detangle it at least once a week. And it does come with this particular card, like the stock card, but it's like a booklet. It basically is telling you how to put the wig on and the color that the model is wearing, and then at the bottom it gives you how the custom cap looks and how to put it on. And on the back it gives you how to maintenance the wig and the styling tips, and also the other colors that they have available. I did get this unit from wigtypes.com simply because wigtypes.com is like my absolute favorite site to order on because they are so affordable, and even though they are a tiny bit on the expensive side, it's still affordable. So that's why I like them. Now the pros of this wig is it is straight, and it does come out the box straight. It has like a slight wave, like sort of like this, so I did have to like bump it a little bit just to make it look natural. You will probably have to customize the parts. I personally only plucked a tiny bit and I almost ripped the lace, so you really want to be careful. And then I literally took some pressed powder, some face powder, and just put it in the part, and voila, you have a part. So the cons of it, like I said, the tangling is not too bad, and the shedding is not too bad. It only sheds while you combing it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't really have any like complaints or anything about the unit, or complaints about how bad the wig is. This wig is not bad at all. I will basically give it a A plus, like a total 10, because this wig is really nice and it's great for every day, but it is 26 inches long. So if you want to cut it, you can. Preferably, I wouldn't cut it, but I thought about cutting it, but it's just a bomb wig. Now, as far as the wig cap construction, the wig cap construction is huge. It's huge. So you are going to have to use, for my girls that have average heads or small heads. The average to big head friendly girls can wear these units, but the girl that has like a small head, this unit would not be for you because it's just, the cap construction is huge. So you would have to put a lot of bobby pins in. For me, I only use 2 bobby pins because I just need to tape down, I just need to pin down the ear tabs, and that was it. Other than that, that was pretty much it. What else about this wig? I think that's pretty much it, but it really is sleek straight, and it is bomb, and it is 26 inches, so this is a very long wig. And I would recommend getting some Frizz Ease or some kind of, you know, shampoo conditioner so you can wash your wigs once a week so it can stay in its natural state. But like I said, it does come pre-plucked. It does come with long baby hairs that come about to the brow, and you will have to cut them unless you're a person that likes long, you know, long baby hairs. But other than that, this is my review on this wig. I like it a lot. I love it. It is very affordable. I will leave a link down in the description box where you guys can purchase, as well as where to purchase and a direct link and other websites that you can purchase this hair from. I think Wig Types has a sale going on right now. I'm not totally sure, but yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you guys want to look on this makeup look, I will definitely put it up. But if you would like to follow me other than just YouTube, my Twitter is lightskinnedjess and my Instagram is lightskinnedjess. So you can stop by and show me some love, subscribe to my channel and everything. So I just wanted to get this quick video up for you guys so you guys won't think I'm going MIA again. So I will be having upcoming wig reviews very, very soon. I do plan on reviewing other high-end wig companies like my first wig. I do have one of those reviews coming up really, really soon, so guys, look out for that. But other than that, this is a bomb wig. I highly recommend it. And like I said, it is big head friendly, so you will have to use bobby pins to pin it down. And that's about it. And girl, you slay. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.